You can tell the weight needed to lift these big pieces of machinery. You can see the weight of it there. Tons of steel. We've had a Japanese man here today, some civil engineer in Japan. Left his business card downstairs, so he's quite interested in the old industry. Of course, the Japanese more or less moved on from where we left off. With the more modern sort of lighter, compact sort of ways of doing things, and a lot cheaper of course as well, really. Well, they're just-in-time production methods and various other things which of course were cost efficient. Here we are, and this is the second floor here.